G'day guys, how's it going? Just want to give you a little update on the G8 Diff situation and what's going on. So I got the new LPW cover and she's right here on the counter, and the new bushings and gasket. So all the parts are here ready to go. So let's take a look real quick. So there's the LPW cover. So the good thing about this, it eliminates case distortion, controls unwanted gear deflection, it ups the stock fluid amount, and reduces operating temperature. There's a few other benefits as well. So there's the stock diff. So already put the bushing in, and these are the bushings I went with. So from Energy Suspension, we've got a new gasket. I was going to put the new diff cover on today, but I've got to put some silicone on the gasket and I just couldn't be bothered. So yeah, being a bit lazy. But yeah, that's it guys. So should hopefully have it together next week and she'll be done. Waiting for Troy to come back. But anyway, so check out Troy's Mustang. It's his GT350. Anyway, I appreciate you guys as always. You know, if you like the channel, give me a like and subscribe if you will. And I appreciate you guys.